Now I would like to invite Rotarian DG Satish Madhavan sir to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for responding. I thought all of you all are hungry. I'm just going to take a leaf out of what Rajdeep sir said. If God were to appear in this room and ask you all, what do you all want? I think most of you all will probably say, we need to go to the restroom. You've been sitting here like me for the last 3 hours. So friends, it's great being here. Rotary Bangalore Ability is led by Maverick President Arun. I call him the dapper, president, always dressed to kill. Congratulations. And of course, Kameshwari ma'am, secretary, ever smiling and always efficient in everything she does. Great combination. Also, a big shout out to other Maverick presidents. Guys, where are you guys? All in the hall. Thank you for supporting this wonderful program. It happens every year, but I see a lot of clubs supporting our Rotary Bangalore abilities. It's called IDPD Awards. I think you need to probably look at renaming this. You should probably call it IDPA Awards. A stands for abilities, not disability. Friends, when I was here and I was going through the profile of all the awardees, one thing that struck me is, and that's where this comes from, disability and ability. Believe me, the people who are able today are the ones with disabilities. And when we look at you and what you're doing in life, you are the inspiration for the rest of the population. Believe me. If you're not recognizing that fact, don't blame yourself, because the people who have abilities have one major disability, and that disability is that they are blind to other people's problems. They are actually blind. They can't see. They can see everything else in this world, but they choose not to see somebody going through a difficult phase in life. So they say 30 million, approximately 30 million is the number of people with some form of disability in India. I don't know if this figure is correct. I looked it up. This is what came to me. It's not definitely the 30 million people are the ones who are the conscience keepers of this nation. And what is special about Rotary District 3191, or rather I would say Rotary District 3190, because this club was formed when the district was together, is that probably this is one of the unique clubs in the whole world where we have a Rotary Club of people with disability, but doing much better than most clubs with abilities. And I want to congratulate each and every member for making this club so vibrant. And I want to welcome Saundarya to our club. Thank you for joining and becoming a Rotarian today. And also realizing Arun's magic figure of 30. That's what he told me when I met him in the GOV. He says, we will touch 30. Right? And thank you, Saundarya, so much for joining us. Every awardee deserves the special recognition, but this is not special for us. I think this is the least we could do. And we truly believe that you are going on to achieve much greater things in life, and we will stand by and try and support wherever possible. I also want to thank the past AG, Naveen. Naveen has always been part of the progress of this club. Thank you, Naveen, for supporting abilities. Zarir for always being there. I think I don't want to give you any cliched, titles like grandfather, father, Bhishmacharya. I don't want to do all that. Zarir is Zarir. That's it. But thank you so much for being there. Mohan Ramnathan for being part of this. Elizabeth, I miss Elizabeth today. She's always been a great source of support for the club. And of course, my dear friend Vijay. Vijay has always been, he takes up something. Okay. So 30 seconds on Vijay. Vijay is, very simple. It's either black or white. There's no gray. In these kind of things. Everything else. Except for the gray on his head. If he likes something, he goes for it. And I know that this is something that he loves doing. Because I can see that in him. And friends, this is what you are able to do. And that's why I said that this is a club which is actually enabling people like us. It's enabling a side of us that we are always blind to. And for this, a big salute to each and every member of Rotary Bangalore Abilities. I'm extremely happy being here, and I believe that you are a gem in our crown. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you so much, DG sir. We are very happy that you're here too. Thanks a lot.